In this video, I'm going to give you a few quick DIYs for table decor for your console table. Here are some items that I picked up at Dollar Tree that I am going to reinvent to make a lovely golden console table decor scheme. First, you want to start by taking the plastic vases and utilizing two separate types of glues, which I'm utilizing a clear gel glue for long-term hold as well as hot glue. I'm going to put this down at the bottom of the vase, and after that connect the two vases together to secure it. You want to hold this in place and allow it to dry for the hot glue to dry before you apply the next step. Next, you're going to take the pearls and you are going to apply those pearls at the seam. With the magic of video editing, of course, this is how it's going to look. It's pretty just like this if you wanted to leave it this way. But I'm going to take it a different level since I want it golden and spray paint the vases and the pearls gold. I picked up these two items. You can find those mirrors at Dollar Tree, and I picked up this little cross. It wasn't that attractive, but I figured I could use it as a stand. So using the same glue method I did before with the hot glue gun and the long-term gel hold, I'm just going to apply this to this cross stand and attach the piece to the mirror. I'm going to hold it firmly to get a nice contact and attachment. And then, like before, I am going to spray paint it. Could have left it like this, but because I wanted the gold a little bit more uniform, I did that. And I also did a little bit of tips of silver to give it a champagne look. Next, I'm going to spray paint these already made candle holders just to have it go with my theme. Then from there, of course, you want to stage it. Utilizing peach flowers from the Dollar Tree, I put it in my vase that I created. And using my candle holders. Adding another pop of color. And lastly, the mirror. And I'm done. A lovely golden decorscape that didn't cost me much money at all. Thanks for watching. Give me a like and a thumbs up and visit again.